Welcome everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use string interpolation in JavaScript. So let's go to the desktop and create a folder, and then I call this JS string interpolation. Yeah, it's a bit long name, but it doesn't matter. So you should have actually Visual Studio Code on your computer, and then it will be easy to follow. Then what I should do actually, I go all the way to my desktop and then I will just open this folder. So it's the project actually. So it doesn't have anything. Then I can just create a new file, index.html. Then I will just generate, maybe I think I have to make it a bit bigger, and then it will be easy for everyone to see. Then I just write HTML just to get some boilerplate here. And then maybe I think it's better to write JavaScript separately. So script, and then maybe I have to write a separate file here. And then I call it JS or just main.js. Yeah. And then I will link that script here, source, and then actually dot main.js. That is how we connect. So I hope you're familiar with this, the DOM structure. I have here the head, and I have here in the body, and mostly we put the JavaScript code inside the body, yeah, before the closing of the body. Great. Then I think if I click over here and then open with live server. If you don't have live server, you can go to the extension, the Visual Studio Code extension, maybe here live server. You can install it, this live server. But since I have it already, I don't have to install it again. Just right click and then check for open live server. And then actually the live server will open a browser, yeah, like this, something like this. Then if I have something already, for instance, here, maybe H1, for instance, I can say JavaScript string interpolation. Then by now it has been already updated. Yes. So I think I would like to just show this side by side, and then these two. Maybe if I just put this and then this the other side. Yeah, something like this is much better. So let's work on this now. Then I can also open the console over here by Control-Shift-I. So now this is open. Maybe I can go to this, the JavaScript part, and let's write console.log hello world. And let's see. I think we should see right away. Yeah, hello world already. So we don't need this. We can just close it and make it something small, visible. Now everything's connected. As you can see, hello world has been printed out on the console. Okay, so the main topic in this lesson is string interpolation. What is that string interpolation? Actually injecting data to a string. For instance, I can say first name, then I can write my name, Sabine, and my last name, last name, something like this type, and then my age actually, and then age 250, I'm known for 100, and marital status, or maybe married, something like that. And this could be maybe enough already. So in JavaScript, instead of just simple concatenation, for instance, to create full name, let full name like simple concatenation or traditional concatenation, should be something like this: first name plus something like this plus last name. And then I can print out the console using console.log the full name. And let's see here the value, my full name. But with string interpolation, what we usually do, we use, instead we can use the backtick and then followed by this. Actually, we just encapsulate the variables with a curly bracket, and there should be a dollar also next to the bracket. And then we don't need all this plus stuff. And instead, next to the variable, we should have again the dollar sign. And this is good enough. And we should close actually the string with a backtick. As you can see, we have created the same. Now, maybe I want to create a statement that says, I want to show you a statement that say, my name is Sabine Vitaly. I am a full stack developer. I based in Helsinki, Finland. I am 150 years old and married. I want to make this paragraph using this. So first name, we have that, maybe let country, and then Finland. Okay, and then let city, and then Helsinki, position, maybe false. So what's left? I think everything we have that. So maybe I think I can just copy this information, maybe something like this, console.log. First, I have to have the backtick, something like this. We have here my full name, then I have to use this, then full name. Yes, I'm a full stack developer. Then a full stack here, as you can see, is actually a variable. So dollar followed by the two curly bracket and then position. I based in Helsinki, that is the city. Then again, I inject city here. And then Finland, then again, dollar sign followed by country. I am 250 years old. And then as you can see, there's age here. I can inject the dynamic age again here. And married. Then as you can see, I can put the marital status. Do I have type or something? Then let's see, it should be printed out if I don't have any reposition. I think I don't have I in there. So that's the error is actually because of marital status. And then even I have, again, a typo over there. So as you can see, the browser console is giving me a very proper feedback. My name is Asabe Nehtai. I am a full stack developer. I based in Helsinki, Finland. I am 250 years old and married. That's great. That's one example. Maybe I can also show you another. Let A is equal to 4 and then B, let B is equal to actually 3. And then let's do some arithmetic operation. Maybe if I want console.log, I can say backtick. I want to display dollar followed by A. So, and then plus, and then again, B. This literally print out actually A plus B, as you can see. Oh yeah, then I can say again, I can do some JavaScript execution here, A plus B. What this actually, it just inject the value 4, 3, and then here the operation A plus B. That's good. As you can see, 4 plus 3 is 7. And then we can actually repeat this for different arithmetic operation. For instance, in this case, we can do the subtraction. Let's see the subtraction, as you can see. Oh yeah, it should be actually 1. And then let's see for multiplication. And then something like this. And something like this. Oh yeah, and maybe for division also. Let's see. Of course, it works. And now for modulus. Modulus, just to find the remainder. I'm expecting 1 in this case. Yeah, 4 divided by 3, the remainder is 1. And then now let's see exponentiation. So we use double asterisk. So then let's see. For the power of 3 is actually 64. Yeah, these are the use case. For instance, even sometimes if we do some kind of for loop, or let I is equal to 0, I less than 100, maybe 101, just to go up to, and I plus plus. And then if I say console.log, let's see, you may see this from 0 to 100. But maybe sometimes if I want, for instance, I can inject this in a kind of, look at this. We can do quite lots of yes, times I, and then we can actually put the result I times I. But remember, I forgot to put the dollar here. So I should put the dollar. Dollar should come in here, and then again in here. And I need only one star for multiplication, but I was trying to write I. And I don't need also 2 asterisk. I just only need 1. I think, as you can see now, 100 times 100, it's actually 10,000, as you can see. Yeah, this is beautiful, but just to make it more human readable, we can do something like this. So I think since the multiplication is too much, the computation is too much, so it's taking longer time. This is one use case. Maybe we can comment this out. And then I can also show you, for instance, let value is equal to 5. And we can use for decision. So what's the result? So I can say let result will be value greater than 0. I will say, like, this is, we can use it for, this is ternary operator. Then I can say actually, I can, for instance, inject the value like this, $sign again, the value is positive. Else, I can actually copy this instead of rewriting, and the value is actually negative. So now I can print out console.log, print the result. Yeah. Yeah. Well, where is the result? Where I don't see the result. Value. Okay. Yeah, 5 is positive. And then if I change this one, yeah, -5 is negative. Yes, even sometimes we can do operation inside here even. Now, for instance, how about there's a value here, right? We can say this is greater than, this is less than 0. Of course, definitely this block should be less, and this is going to be greater than 0. And let's see what, have you seen? True has been printed out here. Yeah, so even we can do some kind of calculation or comparison inside the string. So string interpolation allow us to do quite lots of stuff, especially this is applicable in React. I hope this helps you to understand string interpolation. Please comment about this tutorial. It will help me to create more tutorials in different topics. So let me know your opinion about this tutorial. Yeah, and I will see you next time in another topic.